Hey girls, this is Taylor Madden. I will be a YCL this year, and I'm here to teach you how to do my favorite line dance. We play that at stake dances. It's called the Git Up. You may know it from TikTok a couple years ago, but this is different. And if you know this one already, I'll just share some dancing tips that I've learned, and then you don't have to watch us do the Git Up. But the most important thing about dancing that I've learned is to be confident, because it's important to have fun and to smile and just to move in your own way and not care what other people think about you, because it doesn't matter what other people think. It only matters what you think and how much fun you're having. And honestly, when you dance confidently, you look better. There might be a couple times when I don't dance as confidently, and you can tell, but that's okay. So first, you're going to watch me and my sister, Jordan Madden, play and dance to the first part of it, and then I'll try to explain it as we go. So here's a Git Up.
Right now,
And you
I just need you to get real loose.
listen to what he says.
Get comfortable.
This is freestyle right here.
Grab your loved ones, or grab your love partner. And if you're by yourself, no worries. Just follow after me. Gonna do the two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab your sweetheart and spin out with 'em. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it. Now lean back, put your hips in it. Let's have some fun. To the left now. To the right. Now take your left hand and put it on your side. Gonna roll your shoulders, do the slip and slide. This next part's my favorite part of this time to shine. Gonna
Just
do
like
the
kick forward and step back.
cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin
around.
do the hold down
Kick your feet.
and get into it.
And then do this nice
Take it
part.
to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it.
You can almost
Lean
pretend you have a
back,
cup.
put your hips in it. It's simple, you can do it. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Now cool down, have a good time. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Do the butterfly, have a good time. Round,
Spin however you
round
want.
and round you go. It's time to show out right now. And take to the floor.
Step, kick, back, over, over, and spin.
Just
kick.
Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it. Now lean back, put your hips in it. Take it down now, take it down now. Take it down now, take it down now. Bring it up now, bring it up now. Bring it up now, bring it up now. Take it down and
Crisscross.
Bring it up now, crisscross. Do whatever you like right here. Just have fun. Gonna do the two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with 'em. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it. Now lean back, put your hips in it. That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? Gonna do the two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with 'em. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it. Now lean back, put your hips in it.
The best way to learn something is to keep practicing it. So if you want to learn the Get Up, you can keep watching that and listen to what the guy says, my tips, and then you can have the Get Up. You can also style it however you want. You could probably tell the differences between how I dance and how my sister danced that song. And so make it yours. And talk to you later, girls.
Bye.